Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin with the essentials: a charged phone, mobile data, and a good USB cable. On your phone, enable USB tethering so the device shares its cellular connection. This creates a network interface your Mac can use. Once done, plug the phone into the Macbook, unlock the phone, and accept any prompts asking for permission to transfer data. This step establishes the physical link and authorizes network sharing. So make sure prompts are accepted and the cable is fully seated. Now you configure the Mac to use that link. Open System Settings, then Network. If using older Mac OS, open System Preferences Network. You should see a new interface named after your phone or USB. Select it, then make sure it's active, and move it above Wi-Fi in the service order if you want all traffic routed over the phone. Check that it received an IP address and DNS entries. This confirms the Mac can resolve the internet. If the interface is inactive, toggle it off and on to reinitialize the connection. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser or run a quick ping to confirm internet access. If pages load slowly, make sure Wi-Fi isn't conflicting and close background apps that consume bandwidth. Carrier tethering limits can also throttle speeds. If the Mac doesn't get online, restart both devices and replug the cable. Often a simple reset fixes driver or handshake issues. If problems persist, try another USB cable and toggle USB tethering off and on. These steps resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.